Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change text spacing in Photoshop step by step. See this text layer, double click, select it all text or manually select example, select manually, go to window tab, character, then show this character panel and see this tracking options, up and down arrow key and again double click, select manually or select all text, then hold Alt key, up and down arrow key, OK. Then again leading, up and down arrow key, OK. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.